So I decided to do some manual trading, and look what I've done. I'm now at the negative P&L. Hi, my name is John. I make videos about trading. I also do trading on Forex and crypto. I hate to admit it, but sometimes it's really difficult to trade on our own. That's why we were introduced to copy trading. But what is copy trading? Copy trading is one of the simplest ways beginners enter either in crypto or Forex market. The idea is very simple. Instead of you trading by yourself, you do this copy trading to copy the trades of experienced traders. This means when they open a trade, your account also opens a trade, and if they close it, your trade also closes. It's like you systematically follow a professional trader in real time. Now let me explain how this works using Investizo as an example. Before we proceed, I suggest you watch our Understanding Capital in Forex Trading video here in my YouTube channel, where I discussed how you should handle your Forex capital, and at the same time we also talked about Investizo as an example on how we can manage these. Now getting back, as you notice, we have 5 trading accounts here. I have the 9,000, 500, 200, 150, and another 150. Now, the reason why I did this is explained in that previous video, the funds for your capital as you do Forex trading. And in this episode, which we talk about copy trading, I want you guys to understand that we made this because we want to kind of separate our accounts. Let's say I want to copy trade, but I only want to spend $200. So in this case, this is only the account or the trading account that I will be spending and will be focusing for copy trading. Take note, this is my personal preference because I don't want my manual trades and my copy trades combined in the same account. That's why I intended to make separate trading accounts. Let's say 200 for copy trading and 500 for manual trading. With that being said, let's begin copy trading with Investizo. However, if you use a different broker, the steps could be different. But if you use the same, you can just copy what I do here. Okay, so here, go to investments part. And right now we can see all the traders that allows us to copy trade. So we can see the total growth, lifespan, how many investors these traders have. So if we want to sort this, let's say right now we're in the recommended, we can also sort it through highest profit, through managed assets, and through investors. But I want it to be sorted recommended. We can also use the filter section where we can actually set through our preferences, but for the meantime, I'll just stick with the recommended. Let's say I want to copy trade this one from Cambodia, the mm_scalper_algo2. As you can see, this is the statistics, the trading instruments that this user used. Let's say right now he is actually trading gold. This is a description, so it says low risk and better profit. Start copy trading with an amount of 10,000 cents, which is equivalent to $100. Okay, so this is the requirement of this trader for us to copy trade into his account. To do this, we just have to follow what is written here. So it requires us to open an account, which is in MT4 Real Cent, and again, $100. That's the minimum. With Investizo, it's very simple. All we need to do is to go here in the accounts, click on open a new account, and then choose the type MT4 Real Cent. Let's just choose 1:1000, then click on open account. By doing so, we get these login credentials. Let's click on deposit to account, and we can deposit crypto by local banks or whatever applies to your end. For me, since I have total of $10,000 right now here in my account, I can just transfer my funds. So this $200, I'll transfer this from this MT4 account to this MT4 account. So what I'm gonna be doing is click on more. We can see this is the real standard cent. So let's do internal transfer. So this is the source, 200, and I want it here in my newly created MT4 standard. So let's say 200. And that's easy. Let's check the account. Okay, now let's do some copy trading. Get back to investments, Scalper Algo 2. Then to start copy trading, let's just click on invest in trader. The right side, click on copy trading, and here let's choose the 200. Investment is 100 minimum, but I'm gonna be going with 200. Copy type proportional. copy size coefficient 1. I'm not going to be setting these stop loss and take profit because again, I want to copy trade what this trader is doing. Once done, click on the start copy button. All right, copy account has been successfully created. Let's get back to accounts. And you see, we have here copying. And this is the initial results from what we just did. Since we checked on the copy trade positions, it automatically copied the trades that this trader is currently trading. I actually did that on purpose because imagine if that trader has a good PNL at the moment, we can also have that PNL. However, the risk is how if this trader has a negative PNL, definitely will also be having the same negative PNL. Over here in Investizo, this is what we see. Currently, it's around -42 because again, we copied everything, the current positions that this trader currently has. Now, a while ago, if you remember, you received the credentials about the account that you just created. And if you log in here in MT4, you can see all the trades, the ongoing trades that this trader has because it's been copied to your account. So right now we can see there are negatives, there are positives, and I can tell that this trader is using an EA or expert advisor. Now this is the beauty of having separate trading accounts. Imagine if you're trading the entirety of my current holdings. Right now I have $10,000 US, and if I copy trade with that amount, and if for example I'm not aware of the preferences, the settings, this funds might be liquidated without me knowing that I did it. Which is why again, it's very important to make separate trading accounts.
Tomorrow.
As a trader, it is important to understand that copy trading is not guaranteed profit. In fact, even experienced traders have losing trades. So my advice, before you copy someone, you should always check their consistencies, their risk management, and how long have they been trading. Keep in mind that copy trading is a tool. It helps beginners participate in the market without trading manually. You still need to manage your risk and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Regardless of which Forex broker you use, copy trading cannot guarantee you profit. However, it lets you learn while earning potential returns by following more experienced traders. Pretty much that's how copy trading works. And speaking of trading, I'll invite you to the upcoming Traders Fair Philippines 2026 happening this May in EDSA Shangri-La. The admissions are free, so please do attend this event. I'm one of the speakers, by the way, who will be speaking with other best speakers, personalities that will be attending in this event. And yup, this will cover everything about finance, businesses, stocks, crypto, Forex, and everything that's related to trading. So if you don't want to miss this event, please do attend. Again, the tickets are absolutely free. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. And of course, if you have any questions, requests, or if you want me to cover some topics for you, feel free to leave it down there in the comment section below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out any of our uploads here in the channel. Again, I'm John. See you next time.